as long as I've known Liz and Joe, they have both shared a genuine desire to improve their community and the quality of life for those living here.
They see the tremendous need and they have the means to help and the time to help. I think that's very important to both of them.
And so they really care about all the people, and they want them to have access to all the things that can make life a little easier.
Hi, I'm Joe DiSanto. This is my lovely wife, Liz, of 24 years. We have 3 children, Mario, Nick, and Nina. We've been residents of Wyandotte for 28 years.
So I have been Chief Judge of the 27th District Court since January 1 of 2019.
I believe 2020, she started the 27th District Regional Wellness and Recovery Court to allow people who have had misdemeanor convictions or pled guilty to a misdemeanor, who also have mental health issues, to be able to get their mental health issues addressed. And that has grown now from a few municipalities feeding into it to about 20. So that court is really covering the bulk of the communities downriver. It's incredible.
There have been a few times where a participant is having a crisis, and even when she's busy with her regular docket, she'll step off and sit with that participant and talk with them an extended length of time. I would say that's really special because a lot of participants then see a different side of the system and a different side of judges.
And Henry Ford Wyandotte Hospital has been a very supportive partner as well. If we have individuals that need to go to the behavioral health unit, they are very quick to respond.
Joe served 2 decades of his career as Economic Development Director. He helped Henry Ford Wyandotte Hospital open up Brownstown facility. And the opening of that facility not only created some job opportunities for our community, but also provides them with access to, excellent health care.
And Joe is always there with a helping hand, whether it's a friend, family, or even a stranger.
When the kids were playing hockey at Wyandotte, at the Wyandotte Yak Arena, there were many times where Liz was cheering so very loudly and proudly that they even thought that Liz was my son's mom. So they are very, very special people, and they love big.
You can find Joe at KFC during Lent, helping cook for the fish fry. You can find Liz at any number of community events.
And they are not delegating from afar. They are lacing up their boots and getting in there and doing the hard work with everyone else.
A lot of it is, set by example. And I think if individuals are giving back into their community, other people see that, and sometimes they may be inspired by that. And they may also learn something new.
It's also much easier to give than to receive. It humbles you.
Congratulations, Liz and Joe. I can't think of 2 more deserving people to receive this award.
Congratulations, Liz.
Congratulations to Joe and Liz. You are so deserving of this award, and I'm so happy to be here celebrating with you.
Congratulations, Judge DiSanto. You're very deserving of this award.
Liz and Joe, congratulations. I am so incredibly proud of you and so honored to call you both my friends.